Hi students, what we learned in the last class? Poem, right? What is the topic? Tell us a tale. What is mean by tale? Tale means story. What types of stories are there? Mystery story is there, then comedy story is there, next fairy tale story is there, yes. And this poem we learn about the mother is saying the story to their children, okay. All the children are sitting beside the knees of their mother and asking, mom, please tell the story, we want to hear, now it is very boring, so you can tell the story. Like that the children are sitting beside the knees and asking the mother to tell the story, and ask the mother to take the brother in your lap and start the story, because the children, the small child can make or do something. So if the story is continued, means the mother not able to go and see this brother, that small child. So you can take the small child in your lap and start the story. Like that the children, the other children are asking, mom, please tell the story, take the brother on your lap and start the story. Then he or she cannot make disturb. Like that they are asking. Now the mother is saying, okay mom, you can say the story, we can sit quiet and we can never stir also. Stir means asayiradu. We can never stir also. We can stay and watch clearly, watch completely what you are saying, what the story is going. Like that we can listen to your story. Like that the children are saying. After finishing the story only we can move. Like that they are saying. And now the mother is asking, okay children, you are asking the story, what type of story you want? What stories you want? You want mystery story or fairy tale story or comedy story? Like that she is asking the title. What story you want? Aladdin and his lamp. Did you want this story, Aladdin and his lamp? Or I can say the Puss in Boots, that story I can say, or like that she is asking. And then she is saying the third thing, Bluebeard story. Bluebeard means, beard means daddy, right? Bluebeard story shall I tell? Like that she is asking. And then she is asking, Jack climbed the beanstalk. Through the beanstalk plant, he can climb the mountain. Shall I tell that story? Like that she is asking. And then she is asking fifth one, Red Riding Hood. The red color hair, small girl riding the wood. There are full of wood. She can search the things. Shall I can tell that story? Yeah, like that mother is asking. And the last thing she is asking, shall I tell the Cinderella story, fairy tale? Yes, Cinderella story. Like that she is asking. And now the children are hearing all these things. First Aladdin story, next Puss in Boots story, next Bluebeard story, next Jack who climbed the beanstalk story, next Red Riding Hood story, and the last thing Cinderella story. What we can say? Like that they are thinking and saying. The children are saying, okay mom, no problem, you can say, tell all the story, all the 6 story you can say. Like that they are asking. Now the mother is going to tell the story. Okay, we learned this poem, and who is the author of this poem? Edward Shirley. Okay, now we are going to learn the question answer for this poem. Okay. Okay, now first question, what did the children ask their mother to do? All the children are sitting beside the mother knees and now asking, they are asking what to do, what the mother want to do for them. Yes, they are asking to tell the story. See here, the children asked their mother to tell them a story. Yes, they asked to ask the story to tell for just time pass. Yes, all the children are sit beside their mother's knees and asking, take the brother on your lap and tell the story. Like that they are asking. Okay, second question, what did the children say they would not do. Okay, mom, you can say the story. We will not do these things. What are the things they not do? They said, yes, the children said they won't speak or stir. Speak means they won't speak. What you are saying, we will just listen and hear. We will not speak like that. They are saying, and also stir means we sit like a statue. We not move from one place to another. Stir means asayama. அப்படியே நின்னு நீங்க என்ன கதை சொல்லுவீங்களோ அதை நாங்க அப்படியே கேக்குறோம் அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க. Okay, now and the third question, who is the author of the poem Tell Us a Tale? It is a topic, Tell Us a Tale poem heading. Who write this? Edward Shirley. Edward Shirley is the answer, and other than that other parts is in the question. See here, Edward Shirley is the author of the poem Tell Us a Tale. For this Tell Us a Tale poem is written by Edward Shirley. Okay, and fourth one, which stories did the mother suggest? Yes, she tell, right? What she tell? What type of story I want to say? This story, that story, that, like that. She tell lot of names. Yes, 6 types of story she tell, right? Yes, what are that stories we are going to see? Okay, first what she asked, Aladdin and the magic lamp. First the mother is asking, suggesting, shall I tell this story? What is the first story? Aladdin and his magic lamp. And the second thing, Puss in Boots. Push, we can say push means cat. Yes, cat wear the shoes. Shall I tell that story? Like that she is asking. And third one, blue beard. Beard means, already I told, dadi. Yes, blue beard man. A man with the blue beard. Actually the man has the black beard, right? But in this story the man had the blue beard. It is very fierce and it is grim. It is so fearable story. Like that she is telling. Shall I tell that story? She is asking. And next one, Jack and the beanstalk. Jack climbed through the beanstalk and climbed the mountain. That story shall I tell her? Like that she is asking. And Red Riding Hood. Red Riding Hood means one red color hair. Red color hair having a girl searching through the wood, right? Yes. Next, shall I tell the Cinderella story? Already we know that Cinderella story, right? Last year also in annual day function, annual day celebration, our English play, our English drama is Cinderella story. Yes. So we know what the Cinderella story is. This story also the mother is asking, shall I tell the Cinderella story? Like that. What are the stories she suggests? Shall I tell like that? She is asking. Yes, Aladdin and the magic lamp, Puss in Boots, Blue Beard, Jack and the beanstalk, Red Riding Hood, and the Cinderella story. Okay. And last question, why did the children say they will not speak or stir till the tale is told? After finishing the story only we can move or speak. Why the children say like that? Because they want to hear the story. Yes, so that only the children is saying, okay mom, you can say the story. We will not speak, we will not stir, we will not move, and we will not do anything. We can sit comfortably and just listen to our story. We will not do anything in between you are telling the story. In between time we can never talk, we can never disturb you, so that only we are able to hear the full story. Like that the children is saying. The children said that they won't speak. Yes, they never speak or stir. In this question also we learned that. Yes, see here, what did the children say? What they can say? While the mother is saying the story, you can say the story, we can never speak or never stir. Like that they are saying. Yes, the same thing the children said, they won't speak or stir. We never speak, we never stir. Because what is the reason here? They did not want to interrupt the story their mother will tell them. Interrupt means stop the continuity. Okay ma'am? Interrupt means we never want to interrupt you. Interrupt you means if a mother is telling the story, at that time the children, Ma, I want that, like that they are asking means the story will stop. Then the mother can go and do something and come, then only she will continue. So the children is saying, Mom, we not speak, we not stir, so that the story continuity will never stop. That like they are asking. Okay, what is the first question? The children ask their mother to tell the story. What is the second question? We never speak, we never stir, you can continue the story, like that they are asking. What is the third question? Third question about the author. Who is the author of the poem? Edward Shirley. What are the, and then fourth question, what are the stories mom asking? Shall I tell this, shall I tell this, shall I tell that, like that. These 6, Aladdin and the Magic Lamp, Puss in Boots, Blue Beard, Jack and the Beanstalk, Red Riding Hood and Cinderella. Shall I tell this story, like that she is asking. But what the children said at the last, Mom, you can tell all the 6 stories, like that they are asking. Okay, what is the fifth question? The children are saying, we never speak, we never stir. Why? What is the reason? Because your story continuity will be break. If we talk or doing something means the story will break, so that we never do anything, just listen to your story, like that they are saying. Okay students, I hope you understand this 5 questions and its meanings, right? Okay, this is now I am going to give you a homework. This is your homework. These 5 questions you want to learn and write this 5 questions. Okay, thank you students.